Post Malone's Rolls Royce and another car were pretty badly damaged in a crash this morning. Take a look. It happened just before 3 o'clock near Doheny and Santa Monica. There's the damage there. You can see the driver door completely smashed in.
Wait a second. Bro, this is his car. I think we should bid on it. What's up, JR Garage? Welcome back to the channel. So we got a fun little video planned for you here today. I know I said it would be UGR twin turbo rebuild content for like the last two videos, and we were gonna work on the car yesterday, but we just found out there's still no electricity to our warehouse, so we couldn't turn on the lights, and it was dark outside, so we couldn't film anything. But some progress has been made, and we got a lot more to do to the car. So that video, I promise, will be coming soon. Maybe next, hopefully next. We'll go with that. But anyway, as for today, as you guys can see from the title and thumbnail, we got an interesting little car I found at Salvage auction that belonged to a certain famous someone. More on that later. But anyway, this morning I got a call from my buddy Sebastian and a couple other friends that they were at Scottsdale Airport with a jet doing like a photo shoot with some cool cars, and they're like, yeah, come on by, bring one of your cool cars. So I'm like, you know what, that's just a couple miles away. I can do that. I will be there with a cool car. So I think I'm gonna take the McLaren, but let's pull up to the warehouse, grab the car, let's get doing this. Alright guys, just like that, we are fast approaching the hangar. This is Kieran's first time.
That's crazy.
Oh, yeah, it makes some nice noises.
So
what do you think of the car?
I like it. It's fast. Sounds good.
Oh, there they are. Let's go get next to a jet, shall we? Right, rolling out. Well, let's roll. Two Lamborghinis. Here we go. Alright guys, just finished up at that little photo shoot this morning. That was pretty fun. Being next up and close and personal next to that jet, and a couple really cool cars. Nyla and her mom brought out the two Lamborghinis. Those things are absolutely sick, so that was awesome to see. But anyway, as for the title and thumbnail, like I said, there was a certain car that was crashed for sale by a certain famous someone who owned it. And as you guys see in the title, that someone is Post Malone. So if you guys remember, I think it was like a few months back or something like that, he crashed. Well, I don't think it was his fault. I think somebody hit him in his white Rolls Royce Wraith. So it kind of sucks. The car was, you know, enough damage to be totaled. So it ended up at a salvage auction where it currently is right now. So it actually has a buy it now on it of, I think, 135 grand, but it's also at auction. So you have the either way to buy it. But it's kind of tempting. I saw it last night and I was like, oh, no way. I knew it would be going to auction sooner or later. So of course, here it is. I found it, and now we have the option to buy it. But I don't know. What do you think? I just showed him this morning. I'm like, bro.
I don't know. It could be cool. You know, owning Post Malone's Rolls Royce would be pretty cool.
I know. Imagine selling that to people. Oh, exactly. Man. And some of you guys may be thinking like, oh, this Rolls Royce is the one in the White Iverson music video, like drifting around the desert. Like, no, not quite. That is actually actually a Rolls Royce Ghost with 4 doors. This is a Wraith with 2 doors, so it's a different car, not the same. But anyway, I'll throw up some pictures of the car. So as you can see, there's some pretty heavy damage, and I don't know if it's too far gone. I don't know, it's definitely repairable, but it would cost a lot of money to fix it. You're talking new doors, panels, fenders from Rolls Royce, unless you can source used parts. That's going to cost a fortune. So I don't know. I don't think it's a good idea, but that's why I want to make the video. So guys, comment down below. Do you think it could be worth doing that as the next rebuild project? We're looking for the next rebuild project now that we're done with the McLaren. We kind of want, you know, 1 or 2 going at any one time. So we have the UGR Gallardo going, and now, you know, we're looking for the next one after that. So this is definitely a candidate. So we want to hear your opinions down below. And actually, we found the video, right? The TMZ video or whatever. It was right after the accident happened, and the cops were like interviewing him and what have you, and he's just outside like smoking a cigarette next to the car, like all freaking out. And I think that was some TMZ video, so I'll put it in now.
My Rolls Royce is total. My Rolls Royce is total, bro. Nobody needs to see you. Oh. God hates me, huh?
Nah, not at all, man. God loves you, brother.
Oh yeah, I'm fine.
That's good, yeah.
I'm all right.
So whose fault was it, Post?
I don't know. Somebody came and hit us right coming off of here, and then we spun out, ended up in there.
Wow.
Post Malone's Rolls Royce and another car were pretty badly damaged in a crash this morning. Take a look. It happened just before 3 o'clock near Doheny and Santa Monica. There's the damage there. You can see the driver door completely smashed in. But just last month, remember this? A private jet the rapper was on was forced to make an emergency landing in New York. The plane blew 2 tires when it took off. Then after this morning's crash, by the way, the rapper did jokingly tweet out, "God must hate me. LOL."
So it's just pretty interesting seeing a celebrity, this high class of a celebrity's car at auction for anyone to bid on. But that's the thing, like no matter what, whether you're famous or just anybody, whatever, like if a car is totaled and wrecked, most likely 99% of the time, it's gonna go to a salvage auction to be auctioned off to the highest bidder. Like we've seen some crazy celebrity cars.
You know, you guys could potentially own, you know, Offset's Hellcat or Tanner Braungardt's R8, for example. Those are just 2 recently that happened, so.
Exactly, like there they were at auction. Sam Crack made that video. And then Tanner Braungardt, of course, when he, you know, had his accident in a supercharged R8.
I'm gonna slow this part down right here as I come off the road. You guys can see I barely missed that sign on the right side, and then we just go down this hill. We're mowing the grass, and I didn't even know that there was a fence coming up because the sun was still so bright right here. And then we hit the fence, and I was just like, what just happened? Like, here's the audio.
Don't go to war. You good? Yeah, I'm fine. I'm good. Good? Yeah, I'm good.
I knew sooner or later that would appear at auction, and what do you know, it did. But that one is definitely too far gone. There's no more bringing that to life, at least I highly doubt. So anyway, I think it's cool. Celebrity car, comment down below what you think of the car. Do you like Post Malone? We love Post Malone, obviously great music, and ultra famous. But anyway, there's your quick little video. Like I said, ooh, GT3. Right there, 991.2 GT3. So like I said, UGR content is on the way, have no worries. We're gonna actually film that later today for the next video to be posted. So I hope you guys are looking forward to that. Subscribe if you're new, not gonna wanna miss that content. Like the video if you enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys in the comment section down below. Oh, and real quick guys, before I forget, the Tesla referral program, 6 months of free supercharging when purchasing any Tesla Model 3, Model X, Model S. So that was supposed to end December 10th. That's why we made the video talking about it. It looks like Tesla just extended it about 6 days. So you have 5 or 6 days remaining to purchase any Tesla. And like I said, guys, you can purchase an inventory Tesla that has already been built and get it really fast before the end of the year and take advantage of the full $7,500 tax incentive. So it's a really good deal. So just email me if you have any questions. I can try to help you guys out. jrgarage22@gmail.com. Any Tesla questions, shoot them over. I'd be happy to try to find you a good inventory car. I have a couple Tesla reps that I work with that could maybe find you the perfect deal on a new car if you guys are interested. So thank you guys so much once again for watching this video. I'll see you guys down in the comment sections down below. Let's hear what you guys think about Post Malone's Rolls Royce.